Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on Facebook using OBS. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first, make sure you have both Facebook and OBS open. So on Facebook's homepage, locate the What's on Your Mind box and click Live Video. So this will take you to the live streaming setup page. So click on Go Live here and you will be asked to select your video source. So if prompted, you can deny Facebook's request to access your camera and microphone since OBS will handle that. And then next, select streaming software as your source. So Facebook will then provide you with a stream key. So be cautious with this key as it is private. Okay. So just copy it by clicking copy here. And then afterwards, go to OBS here and click on settings in the bottom right corner right here. So from the menu on the left, select stream and under service, choose Facebook Live and paste your stream key into the designated box by right clicking and selecting paste. And then just click apply here and click OK. So if you're new to OBS, you will need to set up your scene and sources. And to do this, just click the Add button in the Scenes section and press OK to create a new scene. And then add a source by clicking the Add in the Sources section here. And for a webcam, just select Video Capture Device, or for screen sharing, choose Display Capture. So as for me, I'm going to choose Display Capture here. And then after selecting your source, press OK, and then select what display you want to capture, and then hit OK. So when everything is ready, click Start Streaming in OBS. And at this point, the stream won't be live yet on Facebook. So you can use this time to test your audio by unmuting and ensuring it's working properly, like so. And then on Facebook, choose where to post the stream, when are you going live, set your audience to friends or public, and then just confirm your settings. So when you're ready, click Go Live at the bottom and you will then be prompted to add a title. So just enter one, like so, and then afterwards click Go Live again, and you're now live streaming. So once you finish your stream, just click End Live Video on Facebook to stop the session. So that's basically how you can live stream on Facebook using OBS. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.